Hello everyone, welcome back to QCare YouTube channel. I missed you guys so much. I brought these two different pantyhose today to review with you guys. Before we get into that, please like this video, please do that, and subscribe my channel if you haven't done yet. If you want to see more content of me, I know there will be an awesome good content. Please check out the link in the description box. So today's two different pantyhose is from Vyongen. How do I read this brand? Vyongen. So the same brand and same sheer black pantyhose and same back seam, but the detail will be different. You will like it. You will find it. It's interesting. Okay, the first pair looks like this. Polka dots all over your legs, and it's a fine fishnet, like a mesh fabric, and also it has a back seam with the cute ribbon in the middle of your calf, and then 3 dot cubits. Second pair from same brand, Vyongen. Weak. Ta-da! Oh, this is a bigger size. I think this is large. So it's a plain sheer pantyhose with the back seam, but back seam patterns is different. It has a diamond back seam. Ta-da! I think you will agree with me. The hardest part with this back seam or front seam pantyhose is to align them straight. It takes me some time to adjust it and make it align, and I have to check out myself through the mirror, and I'm just trying. Loving this polka dot. Once again, I tried it to make it align hard, and this one is more like pantyhose and tights, and this one's more like fine fishnet. So they have a commons in colors and sheer and softnesses, and also the same brand, and with the back seam, but they're different fabric. It's more tights and pantyhose. The first one is more fishnet. And the second different thing is, even though they have a back seam, but their patterns are completely different. Oh, the different sizes. This one's a medium and this one's a large. So I feel more snuggles and more comfortable in this bigger size. I fit better in large for sure. And also it was easier to make the back seam straight. Alright, I hope you enjoyed it and you like it. If you want to try this Vyongen, I would recommend it. So I will see you guys on the next video. I love you guys.